Futek! Futek! Zikamba Futek! Futek! Ramaphosa Futek! Ramaphosa must fall! Futek! Zikamba Futek! Futek! Zikamba Futek! Futek! Ramaphosa Futek! Ramaphosa must fall!
Illuminate yourself, align with the current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. On this video, we are going to talk about the deputy chairperson of Operation Dudula, a certain Mr. Radebe, who is allegedly shot dead. Greetings to everyone. Please remember to subscribe and remember to press the notification button so that you can see when the next video is made. Fellow South Africans, I am talking on the alleged incident. The incident, as you can see on the Dudula Facebook page, it is reported that their deputy chairperson has lost life after he was shot dead, allegedly. Now, as you can see on the other page on Facebook, it is alleged that he was an extortionist. It is alleged he was an extortionist, that he has been taking money from different people, including Zimbabweans, South Africans, and other people, for them to get a favor to have informal trades in Central Joburg and the other places and the taxi ranks. And then it is alleged, it is rumored that one of the people, of which Operation Dudula didn't come up clear and said who did that and what was the reason, but the other page that I have shown here, it is alleged that he is shot by a South African, not a foreigner. And at first, the Minister of the MEC of Safety, Mr. Mxino Shwaku of EFF, has once again in the previous week warned the Dudula people that they must stop doing their criminality. And previously he has said that the Dudula people are acting in an illegal way, intimidating other people only for them to be able to gain financially. But we cannot say, and we will not confirm that on this particular incident it was the extortion as it is reported, and we cannot say it was criminality it was reported. And allegedly Dudula say he was on the way to do as they do at the clinic, shutting down and removing the illegal foreigners. And I want to say, my brothers and sisters, we are Africans. We believe into everything according to Mother Nature. We believe in peace and everything. I hope I talk a Korotsu Zulu. I am one of the people that always say in every problem that is there, you must try first the peaceful ways and all the other measures until you resort to the last one. So I don't know if my brother here, Mr. Radebe, has been engaged in a very violent environment, of which was not even very conducive for him to guarantee his life based on the environment that he has created. But all I can say is the environment that he has found himself in, or he chose to be in, it has ended up, if it is the case that that's how he lost his life, it ended up being very toxic, and then it didn't bear a good fruit for him. What do you say? Is it safe? Is it safe to continue acting in that fashion, whereby you are not, your safety is not even guaranteed, and then you took the responsibility of the soldiers, of the police, and then at the end of the day you put your life at risk? Should we say that the man have sacrificed his life for that, for the goal, for example, of saying one day illegal foreigners live in South Africa, and then at the end of the day, either he lost life on the line of duty trying to do that, or can we say it is alleged that it is the extortion pattern or criminality, and at the end of the day, in disguise of the Operation Dudula, only to find that is not actually what was the aim of dealing with the illegal foreigners. And can you say, is it maybe the reason why Operation Dudula did not even give the reason for the for the gunshot? What was the conflict about? And if the person that have used the gun is not a criminal or an ordinary person, it means it's somebody that used to protect his business with a gun, possibly. Can we say that? Is it that possibly somebody that is got the money and then he was tired to say, I've been giving you money, you keep on coming now, and me, because I am not a criminal, I'm a person that is have resources to protect my business, and then allegedly the person decided to use the weapon against the brother. What do you think? It is only the rumors. We still have to establish bigger sources of which, should they arise, we will have to bring along. What could have led to that? Can we say our fellow brothers have put his body online for the particular purpose of dealing with the illegal foreigners, or can we say our brother has been involved into serious behind the scenes incidents which have been alleged by the Safety and Security MEC of Gauteng to say, Dudula, stop doing your acts of being thugs, because you're gonna end up in problem. But anyway, we can only say, as Africans, let his soul rest in peace. Let us hear what you think about this on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.